Hey y'all, and happy new year to each and every one of you. Yeah, all my real deals. Yes, happy new year. Y'all, we got so many criminal cases coming up. Yay, it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is get into our criminal cases and what it means that when you say criminal case. So y'all come on in, smash that like button. I love y'all. We got this. The new year, new cases, new mind, and let's do this thing. Okay. So I'm gonna turn the music down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead on and get started. I can't wait on nobody. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm gonna turn the music down. All right. I hope everybody got to having a good year. I had a good time last night with my daughter. Boy, I tell you what, we were popping. But look, y'all. Anyway, Happy New Year again. This is another year, y'all. This is really a true whole full new year, and it is what it is. You hear me? So what we're gonna do is talk about what to expect in these cases that coming up. Okay, we got cases coming up this month, I think next month, and they're and on. We got the YNW Melly case coming up. We got we got a lot of cases coming up. Not only them, a lot of cases. Okay, so when you talk about criminal cases, it's the state of the people versus the defendant. Okay, so what the state has proven, allegedly has proven their point, and against the defendant. But do that necessarily means that they got the right answer? Not necessarily. You have to pay your debt to the society if if things don't go right. So let's talk about what is the meaning of criminal cases. Because we got a lot of people out here thinking that their opinion win cases. No, you have to have evidence, you have to have proof, okay? Our opinion, we can sit here all day. I can sit here all day and say, uh, uh, Melly is the criminal. Melly took that bag out the car. Melly need to go to jail. Melly. And I can also say something about Young Thug, he ain't do nothing. My opinion doesn't matter to them, okay? So when you speak on criminal cases, a criminal case happens when the government, y'all. So when y'all talk about Kanika Jenkins' case, when y'all talk about all these different cases, we can say what we want to say about it. Our opinion is it doesn't mean nothing to the fact that it hasn't proved anything. We don't have enough evidence to say what a criminal case is. So what I want to do is, since it's 2024 and in a new year, you have to have a new mind. So a criminal case happens when the government files a case in court to punish someone. Listen to what I said again. A criminal case happens when the government files a case in court to punish someone, the defense, for committing a crime, okay? So, when you look at this case right here, I'm going to pull this case up real quick. When you look at this case right here, this criminal case right here, did they prove that they have enough proof, that they have enough evidence, okay, to punish this case at the time? Let me show y'all this. That they have enough proof. Found out she turned out to be a liar. But she's not in the case no more. So what we're saying is, in order to commit a crime, a criminal case has to happen, okay? And don't believe it or not, the government will file a case in court. See, y'all asked the question is, why isn't Kanika Jenkins' case is a criminal case? Who said it? it was a crime committed. Who said it? If it was, then it was. It has to be proven that these cases, uh, uh, that it went to court, but it didn't go to court. So what we say doesn't matter. Okay, a criminal case happened, like I said, it's when the government files a case in court to punish you, someone. Okay, and what it does, the government tried to punish the defendant. Okay, yeah, he's trying to punish the defendant, okay, for committing a crime. So you have to ask yourself, we can do all our opinions and all our thoughts and narrative about the Kanika Jenkins case, about YNW case, all these different cases, Mo3 and all that. Our opinion doesn't matter to the fact that we can say all day what happened, but it doesn't matter because it didn't make it. Well, her case didn't make it to court. It wasn't a crime. To us, we can say anything we want to be proven. They saying one thing, so they won. So it never did reach the court. So when y'all speak about these criminal cases, if it haven't reached the court, the prosecutor, it's something happened. If it haven't reached the court, then nothing happened. If it reached the court, a crime taking place. Okay, so in Melly's case, you got the government, they filed that case in court to punish him. Okay, but that's why you got a jury to help support the defendant in this case. If the defendant is found guilty of a crime, he or she may face jail or prison. Okay, what is a possible outcome from a criminal case? So we got to ask that question. See, I pulled this up. I pulled up Melly's case up. And so let me see, can I get one with him on there? I pulled this up because she was the prosecutor. And I'm going to keep this one. This lady right here was the prosecutor in YNW case, Melly's case. She was a prosecutor. She is a prosecutor, okay? And where is she now? In the what seat? Witness seat. In order to put her on here, on stand in a criminal case, they had to remove her from being a prosecution for Melly's case. Y'all got it? So when you speak on criminal cases, you got to know what you're talking about. Kanika Jenkins case is not a criminal case. So to the government, it wasn't, okay. To us, it doesn't matter to them. What is the possible outcome from Melly's criminal case? There are a number of possible resolutions, okay, in disposition of this criminal case. Okay, or charge. Let me put Melly on. Hold on, y'all. Let me see, can I get my call on him? Cause they listen to this. I think they need to really get rid of him if he's going to represent for Mellies because it just seems like this sometimes. Let's stick with the content because sometimes when you get like up in your 80s, in you know late 70s situations, if your health ain't in stamina, you might need to retire. You know what I mean? Okay, let's get back on this. There are many numbers of possible resolution or disposition of a criminal case, y'all. Charge. Now, in this case right here, it may proceed to conviction and sentencing. They want to see Melly go. I don't think Melly gonna get the charge allegedly, but I don't believe he's gonna get the death penalty. See, prosecution want him to get the death penalty. A person can't be sentenced only if convicted. Okay, there are a lot of if the prosecution know how to talk, not her, they got a new one. If they know how to go in there and talk, they can beat this case. If they don't know they would work, they can't beat this case. And if the defendant come in there and have they work together, he can beat this case. A person can be convicted only on his or her plea or, of guilty or by finding guilty after a trial to a judge or jury. Okay. Now, why is I'm telling y'all about these criminal court cases? It's because you are going by your opinion, and I go by my thoughts. Okay, my thoughts are my opinions when I speak on these cases. It's very important at the beginning of this year what we need to know about these criminal cases coming up. Okay, let me give you an example of a criminal case too. Also, this one too. Now listen, let me give you an example of criminal cases. Okay, felony cases. Okay, when you speak of felony cases, murder, possession of dangerous drug for sale, robbery, RAPE. Yeah, I don't say the word, but that's what it is. These are felony cases. Okay, so those felony cases be turned into what? Criminal cases. Okay, I'm really trying to give y'all an outlook on what's going on in these cases. So I have a question to ask y'all. Is Kanika Jenkins uh 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 do she have a case? She don't have no kind of case. So we could just make our opinion all day, all week, all month, all year if y'all want to. But there's no case. So you could talk about it. Okay. Now, what do criminal cases usually begin with? Okay, because YNW Mellon case is a criminal case. Criminal cases usually begin with the defendant arrest by police. Now I have a question. Is YNW arrested? Yes, he did time. He doing time on time. Okay. Now I'm gonna stop this for a minute because this is very important. This was a very, very important part in why NW Melly case. That's why they scratched her out. So let me go here. That she was one of the ones that they had to get. What they thought getting rid of this young lady was going to be a powerful, was going to be a powerful, something powerful to get rid of uh, her. But they end, they end up with another powerful prosecutor. Okay, that's very good on this case. So let me see something, y'all. I want to go to one of the reason why I want to go to one of Melly's case is because I'm into that case also, you know. Let me see. I'm gonna go right there. So criminal, when you speak of criminal, it's a popular term used when let me see. Popular a person who has committed a crime. Now I want to ask y'all a question. Did YNW Meta commit a crime? Did he commit one? That's something that he locked up, ain't he? They trying to find out. They trying to get he did. He's a person who has committed a crime or has been legally uh, convicted of a crime. So is he convicted of a crime? Or is he did he commit the crime? There's some. What about Tupac case? Okay, hold on for a second, y'all, because I want y'all to stay focused. Because people don't understand criminal cases. I don't know why is it way down here. So let me go right. Let me go back right here. Hold on, y'all. So, uh, hold on, y'all. So remember, in a criminal case, it's a popular term used for. I'm trying to find some, y'all. Used for a person who has committed a crime. So what they trying to do right now is trying to prove they have. They don't know if YNW Melly committed that crime or not, but he committed a crime, but they don't know what. Let me put it on. That's why he's looking like this. Let me see. I can say anything about Melly's case. I can say anything. I can say he guilty. Guilty or what? It don't matter to them what I say. Okay? So when you talk about criminal cases, let me pull him up. Because he has a criminal case. This is a criminal case. Okay?
I was looking for something fun. My brain is.
Hold on, y'all. Okay, let me make them play their little commercial. Okay. Okay. All right. A criminal, like I just said, a criminal attorney, a popular attorney, just for a person who has committed. They can't say whether he committed this crime or not. He is legally convicted of a crime. Okay. Yeah, criminal also means being connected with a crime. Y'all got it? So we have to know these things before we start talking about these cases. This, couple going getting ready to come up. Okay, what is mean a criminal in a sentence? Okay, when a criminal is a person who has committed. I'm glad they brought this up. I just tried to explain. A criminal is a person who has committed a crime. It's committed a crime. Okay, a group of gunsmen attacked a prison and nine set free nine criminals. Okay, okay. Let me see what else I want to add before these cases come up. Uh, okay, I want to ask this. What makes a criminal a criminal? You have to know these things before you start getting into the case. I'm gonna skip this a little. Got this dude right here. Hold on, y'all. I need to push it back. Him. Yeah. Okay.
Did anyone fall asleep in your car? No, but all of you except for the driver. Did there come a time that you were woken up before you got to the house? Yes.
See, only thing with this case right here is all of them sticking with the same lie. So that's allegedly. That's why all of them was in there. They wasn't in there sleep like that. Everybody don't sleep the same way. Everybody not knocked out the same way. I don't give a bump. All of them dudes want to sleep in that car. They talking about they slid over and let Nelly get in the car. That's what he gonna say. Man, they some bullness. But does what I sit here and say matters to this case? For them, no, it doesn't. Now look, I want to get to this real quick. What makes a criminal a criminal? Cause y'all got to know this. What makes a criminal a criminal? Now, this is what study thinks that personality traits of a hostility, narcissism, narcissism, and complicity, okay, is considered as a criminal. Makes a criminal a criminal. Okay, criminal offense. Okay, offenses. Now we'll get into y'all want to understand that. Let me see what else gonna be important. See, dude, the stuff that dude saying, if they don't listen to what he's saying, this case could be missed. Ain't all of them when I'm sleeping on car. Why, why they sleep in the car and they just woke up out the studio and got into the car? But does it make do they hear me? Is something indicating no? Okay, let me ask you. Let me ask y'all something. Does criminal means illegal? Does criminal mean illegal? Not every legal activity is a criminal activity. Okay, every activity that is deemed a criminal activity is always a what? A legal activity. So if Melly is being accused of illegal activities, y'all got the answer. Okay. And lastly, I want to get in this before this dude interests me because he was in the first case, and I don't even see it. Happy New Year. Okay. You want me to take you to work? Okay. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my daughter to work because she running late. Okay, but I hope I just gave y'all some information about this criminal case. Okay, and I'll come back and I'll show this. But y'all can go watch it. But it's full of mess with this boy saying. Uh, I gotta take my daughter to work. Y'all should probably be there at 12. I love y'all. I'll be back. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's go ride. Take Keisha to work.